The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, the first thing I want to tell you right about now, you see me? Now, you see the video that I'm about to present to you? I am only telling you what had been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? So therefore, what had been said about this video on social media, I am not saying that it is the truth, because even me myself find it a little hard to believe, you know, what had been seen in the video that I'm about to present to you, alright? So please bear that in mind, alright? Now, this video I'm about to present to you, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that this video shows of many tiny creatures crawling within a place that is known as Sylvania, that is within United States of America, right? Now, I do not have any information as to when this had happened, but however, this video is out on social media and, you know, it seems to amaze persons out there. Understand me? And I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you believe the things that have been said about this video and the things that have been shown in this video, or if you do not believe nothing about this video at all, alright? You can also tell me the name of these creatures, or you can also tell me if you know what these creatures are. You understand me? Yeah, because believe me, you know, if so be the case that it is true, then I would like to know. You understand? Alright, but anyways, I'm going to present the video to you right about now, alright? And for those who might not like to see certain things, you know, viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Came on, I put the garbage bags down, and I saw these 2 or 3 sticks over, and I went down.
Good morning, Facebook. These may look like sticks, but they're moving. They're many, some sort of bug form. If anybody knows what this is, please sound off. The homeowner here in Sylvania says he came out and thought these were sticks, then noticed it's a mass migration of disgustingness. They're all trailing out from there. So you said that you recently applied some sort of grub X, a grub killer. And what we're seeing is just a massive trail of many gross bugs heading for another lawn. Wow. Oh man, they're crawling all over each other. Sorry for the grossness. If you are about to enjoy breakfast, you may want to turn off the Facebook. This is hideous. Look at that. It goes all the way up. Blah. Blah. I'm not sure like exactly how close I can get with my camera, but here they are crawling all over each other. Stay out of Sylvania, someone says. Wow. So I'm a big fan of sci-fi movies, and I like superhero movies. They tend to have really gross scenes like this. I don't like this at all. I'm not a fan of this.
Imagine back in the 50s they would have made a movie with this stuff.
Yeah.
I think they did. It was called The Blob.
The homeowner thinks that they're all going to form together in some sort of giant beast and start attacking the neighborhood. Wow. Just a giant trail. All right, I'm going to try to get close to this one, but man, I don't want to step on. I don't want to get near them. I don't want to eat anymore. This is horrible. Oh man. Ugga mugga. Why? Why is this happening? What are these things? Are there any experts? Somebody call the Toledo Zoo. Somebody ask. Entomologist. Good 50-cent word. I was just thinking bug guy. Is there a bug guy out there?
Watch out, Tony, it's around your ankle.
Yeah, it's got me. This is like Indiana Jones, you guys. This is crazy. They look like giant worms, but they're strands of millions of a form of a bug. It might be in what kind of larvae stage or something like that. Coming from, somebody says pick it up with a stick. He's doing that. All right, I'm gonna go over. I'm not gonna do it. Ugh, look at these. Blah. Here, look at them all. See, I'm gonna get as close as I can so you can see the mass of entanglement. Somebody said slugs, but they are little worm things. Let us know when you know. Well, please somebody sound off on this so I can leave. You're finding ones up here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you pick them up with a stick.
No, I just broke them apart.
Okay.
They're like a bunch of little ones.
Yeah, you really can't pick them up because they're just
They just fall right apart.
crawling all over each other.
Look, they're like what?
Oh man, it's so gross. Okay. All right. Yeah, here's the trail of grotesqueness.
What? I am. I'm calling sick.
This is
My
it.
son. I'll tell
Yeah, calling sick. This is making everybody
my
sick.
driveway, I'm trapped. Right?
Oh
And they might be
man.
an endangered species. That was my
What?
fear. It's an endangered some kind of
Right.
bird or some crap. And my house would be quarantined. That street.
That's right. Oh man.
Yeah, be careful.
Try to walk backwards over them.
You know, this is kind of cool, but it's one of those deals where you always call in the sick and you have flu. The baby ate the whole
Man.
This is one of those originals I can call in with. Oh yeah, and we got proof.
Well, we're glad you called the news. I was like, you know what? I'll go check it out. It sounds like maybe somebody had too much to drink on the 4th. I don't know. Yeah.
Hey, has anybody got any fireworks? We could try blowing them up.
There's still more coming out of there.
Oh yeah, there's still some along the side.
I got downwheel.
I mean,
You know what? We were very curious, and this is wild. I'll tell you.
Well, Larry who called you in, he's not even over who called us in.
There's a hell of a lot more out now than there was just a little. They must
Yeah.
have started coming out somewhere around sunrise.
They heard you were coming.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. There's like it's like a pinhole, and they just keep.
Stalactites?
Does anybody know? Did I miss the comment? Does anybody know what these are?
I mean, it's who do you call out?
Should we head them off? Should we round them up? What should we do?
People or Tim, walk up there, see if you can squeeze them out.
Yeah,
Like a pimple. Just like
yeah.
like a tube of toothpaste. Get the last of them.
Yeah. Go.
All right, where in Sylvania is this? Well, I can tell you it's near the McCord Junior High School. So,
Sylvania and McCord's the intersection.
yeah, Sylvania McCord. Yes.
Watch this.
There goes the property values.
No, wait till you see the crowd. Somebody put up barricades. We'll charge $5 to come down.
There you go.
There you go.
We'll call it a block party.
Creepy crawlies.
All right, I'm getting close again. For those of you just joining us, these are actually not giant worms. These are masses of little slug-like larvae.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm impressed you can get that close with your camera.
So gross.
21-hour drive.
This is crazy. I'm the only one that crying so bad. Charlie, Scott, Mary, Tony Jeffers. You gotta see this.
I've seen a lot of gross things. This is the grossest I've seen today. Every day is a winding road.
I think
Shale Crow is right.
we got to convince somebody just to say a few words on camera.
Yeah.
That'd be the president.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're the president. It doesn't matter.
And that's fine.
Oh man.
This invasion happened on your watch. Head up the lake, you'll find her.
Wow, it is a Stranger Thing. Are we in the upside down? Is this the? Ay. Sorry for everybody making uncomfortable. Again, I put gross in all caps at the top of the status, just so you know. It is good. Gnat larvae. I don't know. I think they look bigger than that, but they well.
grubs.
Think so?
You said they were grub larvae.
You think you grubs for sure, huh? Put down GrubX and they all just came running.
So has GrubX ever seen anything like
Oh.
that? The company themselves.
Yeah.
I'm going to give a call to Black Diamond because they didn't come out of my
Larvae of dark-winged fungus gnats. Somebody wrote.
Who do you?
They dark-winged fungus gnats. So they said they put a link up. Must have done some Google research there. Tubi flexworms is another one. I think that's a joke.
Where did you get your grub at?
Guys are naughty.
That load. Yeah.
There you go. Whoa! It made my camera just like bonk out. It's too much for my camera.
Yeah, that's the death ray. They use death rays too. I called Adam. He says finally an original excuse.
You couldn't imagine something like this.
Oh man, this is like straight out of sci-fi world.
The bug guy at the zoo or something.
They're making a huge trail, heading for the hills.
Fungus, gnat, larvae.
That's what somebody said. Darkwing.
Oh, so that means that they're going to open up into little sliding things?
Not if we can help it.
Now, if we can help it.
What?
Anyone got the
Yeah.
Who's hungry?
At least they know they're okay to nuke.
That's right.
I'm going to get my home defense.
Get like a flamethrower.
And I'm going to start over there. I'm just going to make like a half circle so they go this way.
Our house, huh?
Towards there. I was marking this.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media where it is said that many tiny creatures are crawling from one place to another within a place that is known as Sylvania. You understand me? Yeah, either Sylvania or Sylvania. You know, the Jamaican accent, you know, kind of make a certain pronunciation of words out there, you know, a little difficult for me. But I would not go near those creatures. You see me? Because I don't know what they're capable of. I don't know if they're dangerous. I don't know what they are. You see me? My best advice to anyone out there, if they see something like this or these things, you see me, is just don't go near those things and call necessary authorities. You see me? Pick up your phone, call someone, you know, that, you know, can deal with something like this or these things. You understand me? Because what if they are dangerous? You see me? Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, you know, tiny creatures that are crawling together in such a way, you know, some persons might call these creatures larvae or larvae. You get what I'm saying to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I saw this video. It's out on social media. I find it interesting, and I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to present it to my viewers and subscribers and let them have a look at this video, and you know, see if any of my viewers and subscribers can tell me, you know, what these tiny creatures are. You know what I mean? Yeah, basically, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah, you can tell me if you believe what you see in the video or if you don't believe what you see in the video. You see me? And if you have any knowledge or understanding about any creatures in such a way, you can actually tell me what you think. You know, tell me the name of these creatures if you know or so forth. You understand me? Again, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I told you about the video is according to what had been said about it on social media. You understand me? And I just give you my thoughts, or I tell you what I think about the video according to some of the things that I've seen in the video. as well as some of the things I heard about the video as well. You understand me? To my knowledge, what had been said about the video on social media might not be the truth. I cannot confirm if it is the truth. You understand me? So please bear that in mind, because I'm not here to mislead you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?